does our Windows patching work? If you've been an IT client of ours for a while, you've probably asked yourself, how does our Windows patching work? There have been some questions about Windows patching, especially about that little pop-up that shows up on your screen. But what is Windows patching? Windows patching involves keeping our computers up to date by applying regular updates and fixes. Think of it as giving our systems a little tune-up. These updates serve three critical purposes. Security. Patches help protect our systems from cyber threats. Just like locking the front door of our house, we want to ensure our digital drawers are secure too. Performance. Updates optimize how computers run. Imagine a car getting a smoother engine. Our systems become more efficient and reliable. And bug fixes. Sometimes software has hiccups. Yes, even Windows. Patches address these glitches, making sure everything runs smoothly. So how does patching work on your machine? Datto RMM looks for updates for your machine every day. Windows Updates installs any updates that Datto RMM found. Datto RMM sends you a notification that there are updates to install and prompts you to reboot the computer. This notification can be dismissed until it's convenient for you to restart. We recommend doing this at the end of the day, as updates can sometimes take longer than anticipated. Patching shouldn't interrupt your day. The goal of keeping your device up to date is to limit disruptions. Patching isn't just about fixing things. It's about keeping our digital ship sailing smoothly. If you have any other questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below and check out our other videos answering commonly asked questions. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon to be notified when we post our new videos.